Unang workout natin, bench press, 70 kilos, 6 reps, 3 sets. More on heavyweights na tayo ngayon guys. Hindi ko na pinakita yung warm up at stretching, alam nyo na yan. Next is single pec deck and then supersets sa regular pec deck. 10 sa kanan, 10 sa kaliwa, and then together 10 din. 4 sets yung ginawa natin dito. Tuluyan na natin warhakin ng ating chest. Ito 50 pounds max out na incline dumbbell press. Mga 80 degree inclined, 50 pounds each dumbbell, 10 reps, 3 sets. Sunod natin ang cable flies. 40 pounds each side, 12 reps, 4 sets. Next is superset ng incline dumbbell flies and incline dumbbell press, close grip. 10 reps each workout, 3 sets. Shoulder naman tayo, 45 degree lateral raise, 30 pounds each dumbbell, 10 reps, 4 sets. Military press, 40 kg, 6 reps, 3 sets. Last is front raise, 15 kg plate,